Hello, it's Steve. I'm back again, and this is the last day of this advent calendar. This one unusually has a 25th. We've gone through from the 1st to 24th in 4 separate ones. This is a separate video to show you what's behind door 25, and it's as I suspected. It is a blue card coin. It is the Christmas tree from 2017. So this change checker advent calendar was from 2017. Which is something we didn't know at the time. But that's a very, very nice ending to this numismatic advent calendar. I'm absolutely over the moon about that. That's a lovely coin. I do have this one already, but I don't have it as a blue card, so this will be going into my blue card collection. And thank you, and because it's the 25th of December, to one and all I wish you a very merry and happy Christmas. From me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da! Welcome back, this is Stevie Bucks Coins, and welcome to the Christmas Day coin from the Change Checker Advent Calendar. I said to you it's a 2017 calendar, and the reason I know that is this coin that came out of the 25th. This is a blue card £5 coin from Change Checker, and it shows the Christmas tree coin, the £5 Christmas tree coin that, as you can see, was issued in 2017. And it says Christmas tree as the title of the coin. On the reverse we have Her Majesty the Queen, late Majesty the Queen, and the valuation of the coin. This was the highlight of the Change Checker calendar, and I'm very happy to actually see it in the calendar itself. It's a very nice surprise to finish off the calendar on the 25th, which is unusual. Am I glad I waited and got this coin and I've done a separate video? Well, yeah. The mintage for this coin, if you're interested, is 39,413 for this Christmas coin. Now, I love this coin. I think it's brilliant. It reminds me of what the decent Christmas coins were like, instead of us having hundreds of snowmen and God knows what else, all the kids things. This is a traditional Christmas coin, so I'm glad to have it. If you've enjoyed this series of videos, would you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. If you give me the thumbs up, it doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't already done so, can you think about subscribing? I am still trying to get my subscription level up for next year. I haven't yet set a target that I want to give myself. However, if you've enjoyed this and you haven't yet subscribed, can you please think about doing so? This has ended the Christmas calendar, the 2 Christmas calendars with this coin. I hope you've enjoyed the series, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now, enjoy it, and a very Merry Christmas to everybody. Bye bye.